So here is a quick tutorial how you can remove any of the object from picture using Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go and pick lasso tool and just mark around the object. Now right click on it and click on fill. Now in content, choose content aware and hit OK. And there we go. You can see the object is now removed. But for more details, go to Windows tab and choose clone source. Now click on this flip horizontal icon and select clone stamp tool. Then just adjust this according to your picture, according to yourself. And here we go, we have done. So this is basically how you can remove any object from picture. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.